Good evening. Welcome in Daily UPSC Today audio program. Just bad ideas. The Times of India. Inheritance and wealth taxes are wrong responses to the social fallout of economic transformation. Inheritance tax was the hot button topic yesterday in India's dynamic election campaign landscape. Sam Petroda, chairman of Indian Overseas Congress, suggested it, though the idea doesn't feature in the Congress manifesto, but it attracted attention because it takes to address the political fallout of inequality has gained global currency. A prominent advocate is Joe Biden, who proposed a wealth tax that received strong pushback. None of these ideas are new. They have not caught on because they are impractical. For example, US doesn't have a federal inheritance tax. Only six states, and not the ones that house tech giants, have some sort of inheritance tax. If they haven't spread, it's because they can lead to a flight of capital, uneven flow of benefits. The world's in the middle of a new industrial revolution IR led by communications technology. It's following the pattern of the previous IR's industrial revolutions. The benefit of technological transformation flow unevenly. Typically, labor is at the tail end of the transformation, as upgrading human skills to meet new requirements take times. Governments are trying to manage the immediate fallout of this transformation by sometimes coming up with bad ideas. Wealth a mirage. Financial markets reward creators and innovators in this transformation through high hyperinflation of share prices. This notional wealth is the source of attention, particularly through ideas such as Biden's wealth tax, which proposed taxing unrealized capital gains. That is, the notional appreciation would be taxed. Even Elon Musk's fluctuating fortune shows how unworkable this idea is. 2 years ago, his notional gains were huge. Now his net worth is eroding in the wake of a sharp fall in share value. Inequality is real. The uneven pace of the flow of benefits, however, does have real world consequences. In India, this comes through a weakening link between 4 decades of robust GDP growth and the structure of employment. Job creation at the mass level hasn't kept pace with economic growth, catalyzing damage control by political parties. Expanding the welfare state has been the go-to approach for all of India's political parties. People matter. Subsidies, however, are a short-term fix, and redistribution through measures such as inheritance and wealth tax is wholly counterproductive. The only ways out are a recalibration of policies that inhibit labor-intensive manufacturing and a massive investment in upgrading human capital. Skilling is the only long-term solution. Thank you.